When everyone is busy in life, the home is one place which always gets neglected. And then this finally leads to an unorganized, messy, and unclean home. Procrastination can be the reason for this, but getting yourself ready with few habits can really keep you and your home up to date.
Hello everyone, this is Priyanka and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share some ideas which will help you out in organizing and keeping your home neat and clean all the time. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video.
Often we see beautiful posts over the internet about homes. We always feel tempted to have ours exactly like that. And in that process, either we put our feet a few steps back or sometimes we overspend. So the message is don't go by what you see, but try to find out what you need. Today, I'm going to show you not to spend more on buying those beautiful dining table covers which you see on Instagram. And I know how costly they come. I don't remember for how long I'm using these single bed sheets for the same. I have a good collection over time and I use these as covers. And the good thing is that nobody ever knows about them. Most of the time I bought these single bed sheets from DMart without pillow covers and they are very inexpensive if you will compare it with the actual dining table covers. First, I like to put these cotton bed sheets on the dining table and then to protect it further with any spills I use this transparent plastic sheet. Nice way to make your dining space look more beautiful and that too in a budget. In one of my videos, I have shared one hack to store breads inside the bread packet with a twist to save it. But I recently received a comment that what if some insects crawl above the packet? And I think that comment has really made me think about this that it might actually happen. I always appreciate the positive criticism and try to put efforts in finding better ways. So here comes one more amazing way to store bread. Take a big rectangular box with a lid, open the bread packet and just store it in a box. Here we are not taking the bread out of the packet because in that case you have to go all the way down to get the last few breads. Now when there are few left, just roll the packet like this and voila. You can take the bread. Once you're done, just put another packet. Simple in this way, breads will also be closed and not getting attacked by insects. Now this box can be kept vertically or horizontally as per your space.
You should keep the most essential things on the kitchen countertop so that you would have plenty of space where you can do your food preparation. Like keeping a big food processor on kitchen countertop is not a good idea because you're not going to use all the attachments daily and it will unnecessarily occupy a lot of space on the kitchen countertop.
When it can be replaced by a small one which does mostly the same set of things which you do most frequently. So I thought why not to give a try to this new Borosil Nutri Fresh blender, which is so compact, lightweight and perfect for taking care of my everyday needs in the kitchen. This comes with two unbreakable jars of 500 and 300 ml. This blending jar base, it has grinding and chutney jar base. It has these perfect jar lids so that you don't have to find another lid to cover these when your job is done. You can use different attachments which are provided for your everyday job in the kitchen. Just fix the jars to grind, to blend, or to make your purees. This has saved a lot of space on my kitchen countertop. My everyday job of making the tomato purees for sabji, the perfect smoothies for summers for your family, to grind the raw spices so that I can have the best food to serve. All of them have been properly taken care of and that too with the best quality. The best thing I like about these blending jars is they comes with a lid so that you can carry the same jar with you to your study room. The inbuilt jar sensing switch makes it extremely safe to use it even hands-free. The blender grinder has a long power cord for convenience. Borosil NutriFresh comes with 2 years of warranty and I would say this is one of those things to invest in which not only serves a certain purpose in your kitchen but also makes the whole arrangement appealing and beautiful. I think this is a perfect blend of both. Now, this is something which we all have done since our childhood, using a comb to tuck the bed sheets nicely on all the sides of the bed, in order to protect our nails and fingers from getting hurt in this process. But by doing so, you might expose your comb to dust, which in turn is not so good for our scalp, and sometimes you might end up losing comb teeth in this process. So what you can do is you can always use a rejected wooden spatula instead to make your bed. Now I recently looking for a bed tucker on Amazon and it was hell lot costlier, as you can see. So I thought this spatula can really do the same job, and yes it does. Take the spatula and keep it diagonally like this on the bed corners. Now fold the bed sheets and tuck them inside from all the corners. In this way, you don't have to lift the mattress when you're tucking the sheets, and this makes the whole job of lifting the mattress easier. Every morning when you make your bed, just take the spatula and tuck the sheets from all the sides. I have been trying this hack from last 2 weeks and I actually wanted to recommend it to you all. And believe me, it's really doing its job. Are you also putting the garbage bags on the dispenser like this and then you go all the way to the bottom to even it out so that it will stay at one place? There is one alternate smarter way without trying to reach the deepest bottom. Just take the bag, open it, flip it upside down. Now hold it from the bottom, gather it and give a nice hand roll down. This will make it stiff, and now you can put it directly inside the bin. It will just take few seconds to do it. See if you also find it interesting. I really like this hack a lot when I first saw it on Pinterest. This is one thing which drew my attention to eventually buy it. These cable binders have magnets at both ends, which can hold wires intact, and it can also make your daily life easy with it. These have become my personal favorite and they are very versatile, be it in your kitchen to tie the wires of your electronics, or to put a to-do list on the fridge, to organize your phone cables, to hold your keys, to close an open snack packet when you are not at home, or they can even act as bookmarks. These are some of the ways I'm using around my home. You can also give it a try and let me know how you use them around your place to make your life easier. How are you folding your bed sheets? Does it take more space in the closet or in the drawer? Or in this process, do you lose one or two pillow covers when you keep them inside the folded bed sheets? So here is how you should do it to minimize your space usage. Take the bed sheet and fold it into a small rectangle, as you usually do. Now fold one end under like this. Now first fold it from the left side. Now fold it from the right side in a way that the second fold will overlap the first one. Now tri-fold it to create a square, flip over and fold. Now here is this pocket, and this pocket can be used to keep the pillow covers, and in this way you will never lose your pillow covers. Store them horizontally or vertically as per your space. It will also create more space in the closet and make it look more organized and manageable. If you're keeping the kitchen towels in a drawer and when you open it many times a day, your kitchen towels might get displaced and make the whole space look unorganized. So I will tell you an easy and manageable way to organize them. Take the towel and lay it flat on the surface. Now make a fold from the top and flip it. Now fold it in a half, and once when you are done, you have to fold it one more time so that it will take less space and it will look more compact. And at last, try fold it all the way to the top. Pass it through the pocket which we have just made, and voila! These towels will stand on their own and no more fall out when you open a drawer. If you have no drawer, then use a basket with a lid and organize them nicely. Keep it on the fridge or store it on the rack of your microwave. If you have a cast iron tawa or a non-stick pan which does not come with a plastic or silicone grip to handle, then I know how difficult it can be to hold it when it gets hot after a few minutes on the flame. You can use these silicone grips, which is a great insulating kitchen accessory that protects your hand from hot pan handles. Just insert them in the handle and voila, your problem is all sorted. Its textured surface enhance the comfort and make it slip-free when you hold it for making dosa or chila.
This is all for today's video, and I really hope you are going to find all these ideas useful. If you like today's video, then please do share this video with all your friends and family. Like the video and please do subscribe to my channel. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more video related updates. I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, stay home, take care, and bye bye.